Finding
finding
material
materials efficiently. Here is Gilbert James Lawyer for the media.
Hi. First of all, let me first tell you a brief story of a prince having a hard time finding the ugmeme. Hey guys, do you know what an ugmeme is? Well, if you don't have any idea, you soon find out. As this prince is walking, he also saw an elegant lady, and he asked, "Hi, beautiful. Have you ever seen the ugmeme?" Then the lady replied, "What? An ugmeme? What is an ugmeme?" Then the boy replied, "Oh, kiss me first, and I'll tell you." Then the lady kissed the prince. Then suddenly the prince left without even bidding goodbye to the girl. And while walking, he saw another cute little girl. He asked, "Hey, cutie, have you ever seen the ugmeme?" Then the cute little girl replied, "What? What is an ugmeme?" Then the boy said, "Kiss me first and I'll tell you." Then he started walking again. Now, do you have any idea what an ugmeme is? Do you want to know what an ugmeme is? Well, if you want to know what an ugmeme is, then kiss me first.
As we can see in the story, the main character is finding something that doesn't exist or you don't know. But his strategy is finding one thing that does without any strategy or you don't know how to find it. So, in our report, we'll be discussing how to find your materials efficiently and hassle-free. So we'll be discussing the two types or the two ways on how you will find your materials. First is, you will find your materials by the use of the common way, by the use of libraries, books, and articles. So we all know that libraries is one of the greatest place or room to find your reference for your speech, for your projects, and library contains plenty of books and some articles. So, libraries can be a good help for you to find some reference and ideas for developing your speech or project. So, the next way is like the modern way. You will find your materials by the use of electronics and new gadgets, or you can say technology. As we live in these years, technologies have developed. We can just find information or ideas by just click. So plenty of search engines have been developed, like the famous Google and Yahoo. Yes. Even if you are just in one place, you can still search for a reference or information for your speech or project, by just the use of some search engines and internet. And those two ways are options on how to find your materials efficiently and hassle-free.
Yes. Another thing is to know, to list, and to manage things accurately and adequately. First is to know. Know it by mind and know it by heart. Because when you already know your speech, or when you already know what to say in front, you will be able to speak elaborately what you have in your thoughts and in your mind. Also, another thing is to list. List down those ideas, those objectives, and those, what we can say, research topics that we have. And lastly is to manage. You will manage what you know and what you list. Because a perfect research or a perfect speech reflects on how it is made of. And conclusion.
To sum things up, we have learned and discussed about the two major ways to now find our materials efficiently and hassle-free. The first way is the most common way, by the use of libraries. The second way is you can say the modern way, is finding things with the use of technology. And always remember that you should know, list, and manage things adequately.
That's all.
That's all. Thank you and
good afternoon.
good afternoon.